What? Hello everyone, welcome back to the Pink Boys. So today we're doing a soccer/football challenge. And so we have 5 challenges and we're going to see who gets the most points. So who wins the most. So first one, we're going to be kicking the soccer ball/football into our wheelbarrow. Okay? So Harlan is going to teleport there with Colin. Go. Okay, they're going to start now. See, they teleported. Okay, boys, ready to teleport back? 3, 2, 1. Hello again, guys or boys. Okay, Harlan, go first. Choose where you want to put it. Just make sure it's in line with the echidna. Okay? Colin, put the echidna back.
Is this where the echidna was?
Yeah, it was on that piece of paper. Colin, please. Okay, guys. So Harlan's going to choose his spot. Is that good, Harlan? Okay, he's going to take his shot. Boo! Miss. Okay, Colin's turn. Harlan's just going to teleport back. Okay, Colin's turn. Colin's turn. Okay, Colin, have your turn. Okay. Choose where you want to shoot it from.
Colin stole my shooting.
Colin stole your shooting spot. Okay. It doesn't matter.
And the ball retreat.
Okay. Off he goes and...
Oh.
Okay, he can redo that. Okay. Okay. Hurry up. Okay. It's fine. No, it's my turn. Okay. Colin wants to redo again. So we'll let him have one more redo. How about we have 3? Nah, that's your last time ever having redos. Pass. Okay, now put it here. Put it where you want it. Harlan, can you get off camera for this one? Okay, hold the echidna. Okay?
Oh, echidna.
Okay.
It won't stay here, I'll hold it.
No, Harlan, I want you to get off camera.
How come last time I was on?
Because you're going to have to get off, okay? Get off
Put your
camera.
butt in my face.
I didn't put my butt in your face. Get off camera. Okay? Colin's going to shoot. Take your shot. What? It won't stay on the echidna, Colin. We're going to skip your last turn if you don't hurry up. Stop it, Harlan.
It is workout time. It is workout time.
Okay. Hurry up. No one wants to be watching this, I betcha.
Banana.
Okay, I'm going to pause it. Okay, he can't get it to go on the echidna, so he's just put it in front of it. The echidna's going to get caught in the crossfire. Oh! He got it! He got it! Oh, he got it! Okay, that's the first point to Colin. Okay, Colin got the first point. So next one, we're going to have to score a volley into that one from the echidna. I'll go first for this one. Okay, Harlan will go first. I'll throw it up. The cameraman throws it up. What is my turn, Harlan? I need you to be cameraman. Okay, ready, Harlan? You got to score it for this point. No volley. Pass it back.
Oh, volley.
That's what I said. That was not a volley.
Yes, it was.
Yeah, it was a half volley. But like, okay, that's your turn, Don, and we're doing volleys. So 1 bounce. I don't know if I know the rules of football or soccer. I don't know if that's a volley, but I think it is.
Ah, one more chance.
No, it's not one more chance. Okay, it's Colin's go.
If you get another chance, get it at the end.
Yeah. Okay, it's Colin's turn. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Colin just scored an amazing volley. Holy! Oh my gosh! What a volley! Okay, guys, since Colin's the goalkeeper, so we're gonna play this defense game. We'll show you. Okay, Colin, come into keeper. Okay, guys. So this black thing to that black thing. That's gonna be the goal, and Colin's gonna be goalkeeper. Okay? Okay, Harlan shot. Let's see if he gets it. Oh my god, they just missed it. Colin didn't even do anything. Harlan, you suck. Okay, guys. So I think I'm gonna score this one easy. Oh, what a save!
Oh my god, no!
Okay, it's Harlan's turn to shoot. Colin's still in goal. Let's see how Harlan does it. I'm just going to back up so you can see both of them. You're shaking? I bet you're going to get it. Like, Colin's not that good of a goalie. He just... Oh my gosh, what a shot. But I think he just missed by a bit. I'm going to score this. And Kingston has won it! He has won it! He's won the whole thing! Yes! Colin, come here.
Thank you for watching.
See you guys next time. Colin won, by the way. He got 2 points. No, why did you not the pen?